Hey friends, if you wish to edit or add metadata to photos or video files on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. I have a photo file here. Right click on it, select show more options, select properties, go to the details tab, and this information is called metadata. Now a lot of this can be changed, like I can give it a rating of 5, I can give it tags, it's me, I can give it a title, I can name it, I can name it here. I mean, this title is not the name of the file itself, it is just a title. My photo. Okay, so comments, this is my photo. Now there's a lot of information here. I mean, you must be getting the point. You can simply click in front of it and then change the information. Some information cannot be changed, like the dimensions, pixel and all, because that has already been set. The bit depth, you cannot change it just because you are changing the values here. It is what it is. Now click on apply and then click on OK, and the metadata will be modified. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.